Hello sports fans, I'm Ralph Luck. Welcome to RVing with Luck. And today we're going to be doing some chores. Got to head over to the physical address where my post office box is, which I say post office box, it's actually a physical address. And no matter where I am in the country, they'll scan, as part of the monthly fee, the front of the letter. I decide if they should scan the inside of it, discard it, or if it's a package, forward it. And in this case, the package came here and I happen to be in town, so I'm gonna pick it up. Then we're off to get some paint that I had already ordered months ago that ended up at a stranger's house, long story. And hopefully we're gonna be at our friends, the Rojo's house, to maybe do the paint and put on the VW window today. Exciting stuff. So it's pretty cool that my iPostal 1 mailbox actually has a physical location, the office toolbox. A couple of very nice girls in there that are the ones that scan everything, forward everything, do all the work. So pretty awesome. Okay, got the box inside. Preparation for the window repair. I took off the plastic, driving me crazy. And let's go get that paint. I'll show you what the paint was for. Back when I really cared about this thing, I ordered some paint for that. Well, it came into my buddy's house. He held on to it forever. Then when I was finally approaching his house, like a month or a month and a half away, he's like, I can't find the paint. Long story short, a stranger came and picked up various boxes of stuff at their garage, and the paint was in one of the boxes. So now I'm off to that stranger's house to pick up the paint that I really don't even care about anymore, but since I paid for it, might as well touch up that bumper. So there's the part we got out of the door. You think it's fixed, right? Ha ha! Guess again, the new part was the wrong one. But we got a piece of PVC bolted in, slit at the top, and we'll see how well. Thanks to Lisa. Great job, Lisa. So let's hope it holds for the ride home. Windows up, PVC pipe in place. Go home and order the right part. So made it back to the RV. Calling it a night. But thanks again to Lisa. She had the idea of, instead of a wood block under the window to hold it up, since it's supposed to rain in like 5 days, and I've got to return the one part, try to track down the proper part, order that, get it in. She had the idea of the PVC pipe and cut the groove in the top to fit in the window, cut a groove to have it fit down in the bottom of the window, had me drill a hole to bolt it in. I mean, she was full of great ideas. Can't be happier that she was there to help, and my friend, and made it back to the RV with that window not even budging, the PVC pipes in place. So on the way home, hadn't eaten all day. I did do the best heart-healthy dinner I could find, which was a jumbo jack with cheese from Jack in the Box and deep fried onion rings. Of course, why not? You only live once, I guess. And hey, my heart's beating fine now. Anyway, got quite the day planned for tomorrow, because my black tank's just about full and my water's just about empty. So that means tomorrow's and next video is going to be filled with taking care of RV business. But for Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.